Hi, I am Dia Clements, and I just wanted to do a quick show and tell on this. This is my fire fan, and this thing will completely transform your campfire experience. Now, it's just a fan attached to some ductwork, but what it allows you to do is put a constant stream of air down into the bottom of the fire, making it bigger and hotter. It's also great for starting a fire. Like when you're blowing on an ember to get it going, it's this stream of air strong enough to stoke the fire, but not too much to put it out. Now, I designed this to be used with one of those cement rings that you find at a campsite, but you can really put it in pretty much any fire. I'm just really pleased with this design. For one, I think it looks really cool. It kind of has a steampunk look to it, but it's also super simple to build. It's just two of these 3-inch, 90-degree adjustable ductwork sections, and one of these 3-inch to 4-inch adapters, or however big your fan is. And then to attach the fan, all I did was heat up the end of the adapter with a blowtorch and then just melted it right onto the fan. And it's been on there for about 2 years now. So that's it. You just put a couple pieces of adapters together, stick on a fan, and you have this incredible device to completely transform your fire experience. And again, because these adapters can swivel, you can basically position this however you need it to point the air wherever you want it. And now you might be a little worried with, batteries and plastic next to a hot flaming fire, but since we're constantly blowing air through this, even having this shoved into the hottest fire we've done, this part never gets warm because it's constantly being cooled by that airflow. So it's just an all-around great thing, and I highly suggest you build one for yourself. But that's about it. I've wanted to share this with you for a while, and today seemed like the perfect day to do so. I have a whole bunch of other projects in the works, but none of them are quite done yet, especially the video for them, but hopefully you'll be seeing all of those very soon. I also got the craft room, the laser 3D printing room, clean again. It's been pretty much inaccessible for most of the year, so it's really nice to have that room again. Leave a comment down below how long you think it'll stay clean this time, but probably some more 3D printing and laser projects on the horizon, and hopefully just more projects in general. I'm really working towards finding that motivation and drive to do more consistent videos, getting back on schedule, and just doing more exciting projects, more informational projects, more entertaining projects, just more. But my sincere thank you for watching. Once again, I am Nick D. Clements. If you're wondering, Nick is short for Nicholas, and the D stands for duct. Anyway, I'm off to make something nice.